Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about dividend yield, along with how to calculate and compare stocks. Dividend yield is a simple way to understand how much cash income a stock may give compared to its current share price. In simple words, it shows the yearly dividend return you may receive for every dollar invested in a stock. This helps investors compare the income potential of different companies more easily. To calculate dividend yield, you need two things: the annual dividend per share and the current share price. The formula is dividend yield equals annual dividend per share divided by current share price, multiplied by 100. For example, suppose a company pays $2 in dividends per share every year, and its current stock price is $40. First, divide $2 by $40, which gives 0.05. Then, multiply 0.05 by 100, and the dividend yield becomes 5%. Now, when comparing stocks, a higher dividend yield may look attractive because it means more dividend income for each dollar invested. For example, if stock A has a 5% yield, stock B has a 3% yield, and stock C has a 6% yield, stock C gives the highest dividend yield in this comparison. However, a higher yield does not always mean the stock is better. Sometimes a stock's yield becomes high because the share price has fallen, which may signal business problems or higher risk. So, before choosing a stock, investors should compare companies in the same industry, check whether the dividend is stable or growing, and review the company's earnings strength and payout ratio. In addition, it is important to remember that dividend yield changes whenever the stock price changes. Also, dividends are not guaranteed, because companies can reduce or stop dividend payments if business conditions become weak. So, the key takeaway is that dividend yield helps investors measure the income potential of a stock, but smart stock comparison should also include dividend safety, dividend growth, company fundamentals, and overall business quality. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.